So I'm representing IndiaMart and I am working as an assistant manager, talent acquisition team. I take care of the vertical by the name of Marketplace. We are majorly hiring the technical profiles, and apart from that, few support functions may be related to customer care or sales.
Hi, I am Jindran. I am working as a senior product manager with Micromax. I have been with this company for the last 1.5 years.
My name is Gunjan and I am working with an e-commerce company that's named Shopclues.com. It's India's first and the largest managed marketplace.
We work with Times Internet, which is India's leading internet network company, which is a part of Times of India Group, again the largest internet and entertainment company in this country. And I work with central recruitment team, where I'm responsible for tech, product and design hiring across Times Internet. So Hirist.com is one of the most preferred and strongest source of closing the position for us, and it's become one of the preferred source of closing the position with us. And some of the recent positions which we have closed, like mobile apps developer, whether it's iOS or Android platform with pedigree, and some lead level positions like QA lead or Java lead also.
And the positions that I have hired from that is the PHP developers as well as for the product managers. And apart from these two positions, yes, we have one open position was there, that is for the UI developer. So all the three positions, I get the enough number of resumes from that, and the quality of the profile was, yes, that was good. So we are able to close all those positions from the Hirist.
So when we have to really compare it with the other job portals, I think Hirist is slightly giving us the niche profile that we've actively been looking for. So the kind of sifting that we are actually looking for, the kind of profile that we hire, be it product managers, Android, maybe PHP developers, etc. So the one point that I really like while working with Hirist is that it gives us an edge in terms of core skill sets that we are actually looking forward. So that is one advantage. Second is when we are actively looking out for 3+ years of work experience, then we get a vast variety of technology from the same company.
And based on the candidates which we have actually gone through, the Hirist has done a very great job. So we usually have for let's say test engineers, we have customer care executives, we have Java developers, we have for product managers, and predominantly we are right now looking for an Android developers.
So it is, yeah, like the software developer and the senior software developer is the current role that we used to hire on a monthly basis. It is number would vary from 1 to 5, 6, it all depends. But yes, basically the things that we look forward is for the PHP, MySQL, Java, J2E, these kind of technologies we usually look forward for the candidates.
On Hirist.com, almost every skills we go for, like Java developers, PHP developers, front-end developers, again mobile apps developers, and QA guys, everything we go on Hirist.com.
So we hire, when we talk about grades at IndiaMart, we hire right from L1, L2 up to L5. So we hire anybody from the range of 0 to 2 years at an L1 level, be it PHP developers, Android developers, JavaScript developers, etc. We also hire the assistant manager up to the product manager role, since it's a product-based organization. So we look forward to someone who's been working as a product manager. So there is a thin line between a project management and product management, and that's been taken care of by Hirist very well. So we've got, when we talk about specifically with educational qualification, that's one of the major criteria. So we look forward 70% into 10th and 12th with at least 60% in graduation and post-graduation. That is the educational thing. Apart from education, the primary factor that we look at in a person is that when he or she is being hired at an L1 or at an L2 level, does he have the personality and the growth perspective to be groomed into a product manager? So even when we are hiring an L1 guy, maybe from a BTech background, or an L2 guy with BTech MBA as a combination, they should show those qualities, or at least that kind of learning curve that they can be groomed onto the next level. So A is the education, second is the communication, third is the personality, and fourth, the most important, is the growth perspective, whether they have a high learning curve or not.
So the first thing which I would actually look for is the resume value. Once the resume value is fulfilled, then I look for the candidate's confidence, and I would explain him what he wants to be, and I would rather expect him whether he is very clear on what he wants from the organization. If both the things are met, then we actually go forward and take him to the next level of interview.
Okay, for hiring a good tech people, we always go for a candidate who has a good understanding of programming skills, logical skills, and of course a positive attitude.
Whether he would be able to accept the challenges, whether he would be able to get those challenges, he will be able to face all those things or not. So yes, we look forward, like apart from the technology, apart from the educational background, we used to look in the candidates, like what you can say, it is they have to be a little bit okay with the challenging and open with the things that has to be taken place in the startup.
Thanks.